He's gonna get his head fully stuck in the box. Wow, that's the perfect push-up.
If I land her first try, I get to keep one of your puppies.
All right, guys, we're here with another exciting episode of You Made It, We're Gonna Skate It, right? Right? Am I right? Am I right or not? My name's Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I brought my two very favorite friends. This is Blue and this is Ollie. Ollie, get up here and help me with this. They're like, we just want to play football. Returneth, Legion of Doom, return to me. Okay, what do you think we got in here? That's right, we got a skateboard. You ready to open this up? La 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 la. What is it, Blue? So this was sent in to us from our very favorite friend, Jeremy Vest. What do we got in here? Whoa, crunchy treats? Oh my gosh, we got crunchy treats in here. For real? All right, too far, Aaron. You took it too far. La da 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 da. What in the world? What is this, Blue? This is the world's first ever perfect push-up skateboard. I don't even know what this does. If you actually use it as like it's supposed to be used. I think it's kind of like, let's see. Oh, if it wasn't attached to the wood, you would hold the handles. We're gonna try and modify this here and see if we can. Oh boy. Oh, jeez. Wow, that's the perfect push-up. I don't think we should skate this because I think we should just do push-ups. Get up here and help me set this board up. Oh no, we need like actual tools to set this up. Got a set of trucks. Braille trucks, thank you very much. Where did they get these? BrailleSkateboarding.com. Okay. Stop trying to just shout everything out, Blue. Ollie's just like, I just want to take a nap. All the time I want a nap. He's a good director. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it? Wait, what do you mean? Oh, did I put it on wrong? What kind of tricks do you think your dad can do on this skateboard? He's like, I don't know, but I don't want to have any part of it. Let's see if I can get these out again. So this way, right? Oh, right. Obviously. Gotta get these treats out of here. There. How do you like that? Let's see if we can put this on here. Is that gonna be enough clearance? Yeah, I guess so. What are you doing? He's gonna get his head fully stuck in the box. I guess you're gonna have to live with a box on your head now. His dedication. You got it. He's a good boy. That Papa gave you a treat for being a good boy. Yeah. Blue, they invented this new thing, you might have heard of it. It's called chewing. I don't even like skateboarding. Yeah, he does. He's just tired. Not you. You've got more energy than Mowgli. That's saying a lot. Oh yeah, boy. Let's go. Took us like 5 hours to find hardware for this, even though you thought they were just sent in the box. Little did you know. Oh no. What happened? Oh, this thing comes off. All right, we need an actual skate tool. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. What do you think, Blue? Hey, what do you think? You wanna ride it? Give it a ride. He's like, well, I don't usually ride perfect push-up skateboards, but when I do, come on. This thing is impossible. What should we do? Kick flips, ollies, tray flips? Ollie's like, wait, why are you saying my name? Let's go. Dude, no. Not only, okay, he also put these on the nose and tail. You know what I mean? So you can't just stand on there. Dude, this is straight deadly. What do I do? Like kind of jump on it? Oh! Okay guys, you ready? Oh, no, 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 no. Should we get Mowgli? Hey, Mowgli! Dude, oh, I'm terrified. Social distancing, bro. 6 feet! 6 feet! Kidding. Here, this is the perfect push-up board. You ready?
Push-up board? Push-ups?
Yeah. No, you gotta put your hands on the things.
Oh. My.
Leave it in the comments below if my push-ups were better than Mowgli's. What do you got? You can't skate with things in your pocket?
No, they'll fly out and I'm afraid.
Brother, I also can't skate with things in my pocket. If I can do a shove it on this, I'm gonna be really, really happy. Did I break it? You ready? Okay, I gotta at least get that. What are you guys doing? Cheer me on. Counted? Counted? No? Yes? How do we get this thing to stay on there better? This side is like solid. This side Somehow got broken. Yes! All right, Mowgli. Handstand finger flip. No matter what you do, nothing works.
Try to 180.
If you think Ollie's doing a good job, give this video a thumbs up. Wait for it, wait for it. Body! What about just riding off?
Riding off?
Think you can do that?
One more like this.
You just want to go straight to the 50-50?
Yeah.
All right. Give it a wang danga. Come on over here, guys. He's about to wang dang it. You've gotten a bit soft in your quarantine. Whoa!
Count it?
I would count it, yeah. I would give you a 6-foot high five. All right, that was really good. Well done. 3-stair, 5-stair, 3-block Braille drop. The top literally popped off and tried to snag me. Front nose slide, front clerk, front feeble. Oh, Oreo, oh, Oreo. It's also when you pop, it pops on the handle. So if it wasn't for that, yeah, I could kickflip it. That's doable. You cannot do that on the 3-block. Oh! Perfect push-up popsicle.
If I land it first try, I get to keep one of your puppies.
What, kickflip the 3-block?
No, just go down it.
What, just go down it? What do you think, Blue? Do you want to live with Mowgli? Not interested. If he's gonna go down that, you gotta get in the box. No, Dad.
I guess we can't, it's knobbed.
Watch this. You think you got tricks? Come on, come on. Let's go. First try. Bodied. Get him. Oh, bodied.
We broke it.
That straight broke it. I mean, now I feel like it can be kickflipped. That handle still might be a little bit in the way. Ow! Mother. We just got to take those handles off. Right? You got it, boy.
I broke this part of it. Yeah, where'd it go?
That's what I'm saying. It went over there. By the time he lands it, those are going to be broken off anyways. Then I will kickflip. Okay, if he lands it right here, I'll do a kickflip, nose grind, nollie flip. I'll do it newly, brand new, in this warehouse. I got you. I got you.
Can't wait to see kickflip, nose grind, nollie flip.
All right, how do I get this thing off of here? We need an actual tool, I think. Maybe I could pop it like that. It's just there's like a little bit of cushion, and cushion isn't what you want when you're trying to pop. You know what I mean? I'll be right back. I'm just gonna unscrew these. Yeah, boy. I think that's good. We'll take this side off just for good measure, you know? You never have enough good measure these days. This is like 2 videos in one. This is the perfect push-up and the perfect push-up hack, which turns it into one of the first videos we ever made, the 2x4. If you think Blue's doing a good job in this video, leave it in the comments below. What do you think, Blue? Oh, yes. Victory. Woo! Okay, it's like the 2x4, only really bad proportions on the nose and tail, which kind of makes it like extremely a lot harder than you would think. But I have to kickflip this. This video will not be completed until I've landed a kickflip. Okay, Blue, first try for you. What in the world? It's very possible that this could be way harder than I had anticipated. That was like a quadruple flip. Might be impossible. Might need to move the trucks.
What the?
I'm gonna kickflip it, right? It's like it's the proportions, I swear, I promise you. I don't just suck. It might literally be impossible. Hey, Mowgli. Mowgli, come kickflip this. It seemed a little easier with the push-ups. Okay, I think it's just such a low rider, I just gotta flick so early. I feel like counting that, to be honest. First try, 3 shove. Oh, dude. That was a terrible sensation though. Felt like the earth was being pulled away from my feet. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it? Wow, Blue. How do you feel about your father's performance today? Literally put him to sleep. If I had all the wishes in the world, what would I get? Maybe like a sandwich. Dude. It's impossible. Mowgli, come kickflip this. You think I can do it, Aussie?
Yeah.
You gotta say no. Think I can do it?
No.
Okay, me neither. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give it a full wang danga. How does sometimes it flick so good and other times it just does a half? Okay, right here. Ouch. Ollie, where'd you go? Blue, is this boring? Can your dad just land the kickflip already? He's like, please throw the football. There you are, I need your support. Couldn't possibly land it without your support. Give me some love. Okay, watch this. First try for my boys. At Braille Skate Dogs on Instagram. Let's go, boy. Ah, dang it. All right, son, I got you. I got your back. That one time I really tried hard, I was very, very close. You know, skateboarding is just all a mental activity. Shout out to everyone who's taking this quarantine to learn how to ride a skateboard. You guys are the best. Anyone learning any new skill, this is for you. Let's go! If that wasn't first try, I don't know what was. Okay, guys, take it away. Chew that thing. Look on his face. What do you think? Was that a fun video? Should they send us some more You Make It We Skate It's? If you guys have any You Make It We Skate It's, send us an email with a photo of your idea or a photo of the board you already built. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We will check that out and we will skate it. Won't we skate it? He's like, we will. I guess we will, Dad. I guess we will. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. It's the most fun you'll ever have. Isn't that true?